Hi guys, so welcome to week 2 on YouTube Sisters, our collab channel. It's me again, Shona. I'm your Friday, and if you didn't watch all of last week's videos or the other ones of this week's videos, don't forget to go check those out. So as you are probably already aware, this week is rant week. Now I know rant week is like a very broad variety. You could do a serious rant, you could do a funny rant, you could just rant about absolutely anything. I decided I want to do a bit more of a serious rant video. I was going to do a funny one, but I thought it would be important to do non-funny ones too and do kind of more serious ones. So yeah. I'd like to start by saying that I have not planned this video. I don't have a script. You know, I'm just speaking from what I think and my opinion, basically. I've never experienced anything I'm going to talk about, but I've seen it and I know what it's like. So basically what I wanted to talk about today was bullying, and it's kind of hard to put it into a category because it's not just bullying, it's just society in general and how people are and how people feel like or how they actually behave. Basically, we live in like a world or a country, or everyone has probably experienced something that is not very nice, or that shouldn't have happened from another person. And basically society has kind of convinced everyone that you have to look a certain way, you have to behave a certain way to be considered like normal or a good person. So according to many people in the world, if you have a different coloured skin, then you deserve to be discriminated against. If you're shy, you're rude. If you're confident, you're cocky or big-headed. If you're short, then you're too small. If you're tall, then you're like a giraffe. If you're slim, then you're anorexic. If you're curvier, then you eat too much or you're overweight, and it's not right. I don't understand how people can judge other people and be nasty to other people for being true to who they are and just being themselves, because most of the people who are actually doing the judging and actually doing the bullying are the people who are putting on a show and being fake and just being nasty. I did that in like one intake of breath. I don't understand how being true to yourself and being who you are deserves to be discriminated against, deserves to be judged by other people who have no right to judge someone else. I've seen this quote online. I've no idea who it came from or where it came from. I've just seen it online, and it says, "If you have a problem, call me. If you don't have my number, then you don't know me well enough to have a problem." Now, if you don't know someone and you're going and judging them, you're basically judging what you see and not what you kind of experience. And if you're judging someone by their looks, then it's just wrong, because it doesn't really matter what you look like. I don't know why people think you have to be slim and you have to have a nice tan and you have to be perfect, you have to wear makeup if you're a girl, you have to be all muscly and masculine if you're a guy. So if you're judging by looks and you're looking for all of those things, but what you actually don't know is what the person is actually like, kind of on the inside. It sounds really, really cheesy, but it's true. You don't know what their personality is like, you don't know what they've been through, you don't know, anything could have happened. You have no idea who that person is, and you may think you do, but you don't. What I also hate is when people think they're better than other people because maybe, they just want popularity, and they think because they're more popular, they are so much better and they are so much more special and better looking and have better personality. But it's not true, because those people are just putting on an act for popularity. If someone likes you for you, and you don't have to put on an act, and if you're popular because of yourself, then great. But if you're popular because you're trying to be something else or someone else that you are not, then that's not so great. And you need to change that, because if you think about it, where is popularity going to get you in life? If you think about it, when you're at school you might enjoy being popular, but when you leave school and you're kind of out there and you're an adult and you're getting jobs and things, and behaving like badly in school made you popular, what has it done for you now? What has it done? What has it set you up for in the long run for the rest of your life? You have no qualifications, no knowledge, and popularity just gets washed away because you've left school. Basically, what I'm trying to get across in this video is it doesn't matter what you look like, it doesn't matter what you do with your life, whatever you want to do, you can do. No one can judge you or bully you for that, because bullying is so horrible. I don't understand how someone can stand there or sit there and know that they've bullied someone and that they've made someone feel upset, because bullying can lead to more serious things. It's not just being nasty every once in a while. People can get very easily upset and offended by it, and I don't think sometimes I don't think people realise what they're actually doing, kind of in terms of bullying. They don't realise that they're actually hurting that person. Obviously some do, and they know exactly what they're doing, and that's just horrible. But don't bother with someone else's life, focus on your life, because when is someone else's life going to affect yours? You make your own decisions, it's your life, no one can tell you what to do. Just put up 2 walls, imagine there's 2 walls, put up beside you, you can't see anyone, no one can get through to you, and if something is standing in your way in front of you, you can just push that out the way, because it's your life. You can choose what you want to do. You don't have to let other people judge and manipulate and ruin it. So I feel like I've done enough talking for today. I'm sorry if this video was really long. I apologise to you and all the other girls, because I know, like, in collab channels you just like to be quick, short, snappy videos, but I feel like I just needed to talk about this. So I don't know what I'm going to title this, and I don't know what the thumbnail's going to be, but yeah, I just hope you understand what I was trying to talk about. There's a lot of different topics and stuff, so please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it somehow or if it helped you, and I will see you next Friday with a more fun video, I promise. Bye.